Okay, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to access the knowledge of a candidate, level of the candidate. My name is Parminder Singh and today I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate Sukhvinder Singh and candidate number 111117. Okay, so shall we start? Please state your full name.
My full name is Sukhvinder Singh.
And how can I address you?
You may address me by my first name, Sukhvinder.
Okay, where do you come from?
I am born and brought up in a small city, Rajpura, which is situated between the royal city Patiala and the Union Territory Chandigarh on the outskirts of Punjab.
Okay, so let's talk about your schooling. So briefly tell us about your school.
I completed my 12th standard in humanities from Central Board of Secondary Education this year.
Okay, so have you studied in a single school or have you changed the schools in between?
I studied in only one school from my primary school.
Okay, so next question will be during school time, did you enjoy going to school?
Yes, definitely. In my higher classes, I enjoyed to go school because that time we have lots of friends with I enjoy it so much.
Okay, so which aspect of your school life was most memorable?
So please repeat the answer.
Which aspect of your school life was the most memorable?
The most aspect I always remember, the game period is my favorite one because that time my school teacher gave us a chance to play together in a ground. So that moment I remember.
Okay, what was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English because it is an international language. So I grip my grip on that subject. Because I have a plan to go abroad.
Okay, who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is basically is a sir, Kamal sir, who teaches us mathematics, and I learned lots of things from him.
Okay, and last question, if you ever get a chance to go to school again, would you like to go to the same school or do you want to go to a different one?
When I get chance, so I definitely go my previous school with my friends because I love to spend time with my friends in the school.
This is the end of one. This is the end of part one. Okay, so for part two, here's a cue card. Please don't turn it over yet. Okay. You will have a minute to look at the questions and to grab some ideas, then you need to speak for 2 minutes. Okay, Sukhvinder, your time is up. Please start to speak now.
There are lots of activity which is related with water, but here I would like to talk about water activity, which I do in my life. The activity name is swimming. Basically, is a very good activity to do, but in future when I get an opportunity to do it, so I definitely do it. So I hear from my friend the swimming activity is a mind-blowing activity. So he told me to firstly we get some training from a professional person to do it well. And I hear also in Chandigarh it is a famous swimming pool where I could go to spend some time in the swimming pool with my friend also, because I am a audacious person, so I have daring to do this kind of activities as well. The water activities nowadays are famous in India. My one friend is also telling me that we also want to go to Shimla in future as well, for other kind of water activities as well, like river rafting. But now I have a plan in future to do a swimming as well. But in the last I say that is a sport, water sporting leisure activity, which I definitely do in the future.
Okay, so I'll stop you here. Your time is up, so please pass back the application card. Thank you. Now I'll ask you some follow-up questions. Okay, so how important is free time for individuals?
Free leisure time is valuable for all to reduce their stress and anxiety, and also give time to their families. And nowadays people have stress regarding their studies, works, so it is important for all to get some leisure time.
Okay, so do you think that people learn something new about themselves when they are performing certain leisure activity?
Sir, repeat the answer please.
Yeah, sure. Do you think that people learn something new about themselves when they are performing certain leisure activity?
Yes, definitely. In their leisure time, they acquire new knowledges as well. Like they improve their skills on the technology as well by themselves, and well as they also get some help from others to groom their any kind of skill in the leisure time.
Okay, so do you think that it is good to take risks while doing some leisure activities?
I think there is some kind of activity which generally do by the people in the risky way. The other activities is, I think, not is dangerous for the woman in the leisure times.
Okay, so let's talk about some water sports. What kind of water sports are popular in your country?
In my country there are lots of water activities going there, but the most favorite one is swimming, which mostly Indians do in their leisure time. But the river rafting is another sport which is very famous among Indians.
Okay. From boys and girls, who prefer doing water activities the most?
The boys are daring and bold. They are fearless of water activities. On the other hand, girls are not confident about the water activities. So the boys are upper hand on this kind of activities.
Okay, thank you. That's it.